Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick flyover of the current journal setup that I'm using. I got most of these ideas from Marie Poulin, Michael Hyatt, as well as some extra setup elements from Khe Hy. I'm pretty happy with it so far. I've been using this setup since about February. Yesterday, I just added a annual review element that I'll show you in just a minute. But basically, I have a template page that will populate. Here we go. So it's set up. Let me get back to the top. Just with the table of contents here, doing Bible study for the day. And then habits, this is a separate database, but I got this idea from August Bradley. This is just coming into today. So there's different things that I wanted to track on a daily basis. Again, this idea is from August. Just a quick link to the kind of mindset that I want to build. There's a link to what's called Coram Deo, which is the face of God, basically just a morning and evening routine, most of which I got from Tim Challies and his excellent book, Do More Better, it's called. This I added yesterday, so this is just a review section of anything that comes up in my review database. So if there's anything from this day, last year, or any years prior, that'll show up here. Any notes that I want to review on a regular basis, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, whatever, I can do that here. And then if I'm working on any, if I want to review any kind of sermon notes or scripture memory, I can do that here. So like for a scripture memory verse, I would put the review day as one day. So it would show up the next day. I'll put a link for the spaced repetition template that I'm using for those three items there, the journal, notes, and scripture study. I'll put a link in the description below for that. This section here, yesterday and today, I got from Michael Hyatt. Basically, I'm just using it regular journal, what happened yesterday. But then the 3 words, what I do for fun, what did I watch, exercise, those I got from Marie Poulin. So this section here is just simply a filter. For date is yesterday, and then I have the properties set in a certain order with the 3 words: fun, watch, exercise, etc. First. A lot of this journal entry focuses on, I forget the term of it, but it's based on the journal template that I use that brings in the day automatically, so I don't have to put it in every time. Again, wins, challenges, accomplishments, lessons. This is a combination from Marie as well as Michael Hyatt. I'll also try to put Marie's as well as Michael's links in the description below so you can learn how they have theirs set up. This is, again, just a section of yesterday's journal: wins, celebrations, accomplishments, and lessons. That accomplishment and lesson piece, I got that from Asian Efficiency. What they suggested was keeping a accomplishment list as well as what they call a failure list. I don't like to call it failure. I just want to say, what did I learn that day based on that day's experience? This is newer. What I want to do is capture any notes that I took, mainly from the Notion web clipper up here, with that day's journal. So let's just pretend I had a note in here and it was called kinds of teas, let's say. And I want to connect that with yesterday's journal. So I'll just come in here to the linked database. And there is yesterday's journal because it was created yesterday. So that really helps with reviews and so forth. The now section, just simply tracking gratitude as well as emotions. Just an emotional check. Again, a reflection from Michael Hyatt. What did I read or hear? What stood out? What I read yesterday. And then what can I do to move forward on my goals? This is connected to a goals database as well as a task database. Basically, the filter for this is showing me any goals that I have where I don't have any tasks related to them right now. And then how did God bless me today? I think that's just important for me personally. We can get so nose to the grindstone that we don't come off air and say, what is God doing in my life? So it's just important for me. And then just some toggles. These are, again, linked to my task database. So this would show any tasks that are due today as well as those that are overdue. Any tasks from yesterday that I completed that I want to link to my journal. What am I reading right now? Any notes that I want to take today. So I'll keep that open for work and so forth. And then any meetings that I have, especially work related. So if I come in here and say, I'm going to meet with my boss, that will automatically be linked to my journal via this filter. So journal contains September 27th. Again, that's based on a journal journal template that brings in this particular date. It's called self-referential databases, which is a really, really handy tool for all sorts of things. Anyway, so that's my journal setup right now. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.